Alright, Tim has a mass of 60 kilograms, so this is our value for M, and he's climbing the gymnasium rope a distance or a height of 3.5 meters. The acceleration due to gravity, that is going to be 9.8, so this is our value for G, and the question is asking us for potential energy. So, potential energy is going to be potential energy due to gravity. This is gravitational potential energy. And the equation for that is simply going to be mass times gravity and then times the height. So, we're given all three of those numbers, and all we have to do is plug in. Mass is 60. Gravity is going to be 9.8. And then our height, well, my height, is 3.5. So if you multiply all three of those together, what you will end up with for your final answer should be a big number, and you should get something similar for your numbers. But for my numbers, I get 2058. And that will be our final answer.